Ever heard that lifting weights will make you bulky? Or that you need to do hours of cardio to lose weight? What if I told you these are just myths holding you back from real progress? Today, we're busting the biggest fitness myths and uncovering the facts that actually work. Number 1. Lifting weights will make you bulky. Many people, especially women, avoid weight training because they think they'll develop massive muscles like bodybuilders. The truth is, building muscle takes time, consistency, and most importantly, the right diet and training program. Women, in particular, don't have enough testosterone to bulk up easily. Instead, strength training helps build lean muscle, tones the body, and actually helps burn fat more efficiently. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn even at rest. So, if you want to look fit and toned, don't be afraid to lift weights. Another important point is that bodybuilders follow a strict diet, consume high amounts of protein, and train for years to get that muscular physique. Simply lifting weights a few times a week will not make you bulky overnight. Instead, it will help you shape and define your muscles. If you're worried about getting too big, focus on moderate weights, higher reps, and a balanced diet. Strength training is one of the best things you can do for your body, improving posture, boosting metabolism, and increasing overall strength. Myth number 2. No pain, no gain. You've probably heard this saying before, but let's get one thing straight. There's a big difference between pushing yourself and actual pain. Soreness after a workout is normal, but sharp pain or discomfort means something is wrong. Overtraining or ignoring pain can lead to serious injuries that might set you back for weeks or even months. Instead of chasing pain, focus on progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or intensity in a safe way. Remember, smart training leads to long-term results, not injuries. Pain is not an indicator of a good workout. In fact, some of the best athletes and trainers focus on effective training, not just exhausting themselves. Recovery is just as important as training itself. If you constantly push yourself to the point of pain, you risk injury, burnout, and lack of progress. The key is to train smart, listen to your body, and prioritize recovery days. Proper stretching, hydration, and rest will help you get stronger without unnecessary pain. Myth number 3. You can spot reduce fat. Many people think doing endless crunches will give them abs or that arm workouts will melt away fat from their arms. Unfortunately, that's not how the body works. Fat loss happens throughout the entire body and is influenced by genetics, diet, and overall activity levels. The best way to lose fat in specific areas is by combining strength training, cardio, and a proper diet. Instead of focusing on one area, work on building overall lean muscle and maintaining a calorie deficit. That's how you'll truly see definition. Many people get frustrated when they don't see results in a specific area, like their stomach or thighs. The truth is, where you lose fat first depends on genetics. Some people lose fat from their face first, others from their legs, and for some, belly fat is the last to go. Instead of focusing on one area, aim to reduce overall body fat. Full body workouts, combined with a balanced diet, are the most effective way to get toned and lean. Myth number 4. More sweat means more fat burn. Sweating is just your body's way of cooling itself down. Some people sweat more due to genetics, weather conditions, or even hydration levels, but it has nothing to do with how many calories you burn. You could sit in a sauna and sweat for hours, but that doesn't mean you're losing fat. Fat loss only happens when you burn more calories than you consume over time. So, don't judge your workout's effectiveness based on how much you sweat, focus on your overall consistency and progress instead. Another misconception is that if you don't sweat, you're not working hard enough. Some people naturally sweat less, even when they're pushing themselves in a workout. Others might sweat a lot even during light activities. The key to fat loss is not sweating, but maintaining a calorie deficit. Focus on your diet, workout intensity, and consistency rather than how much you sweat during exercise. Myth number 5. You need to work out every day to see results. More isn't always better. Your muscles need time to recover in order to grow. Working out every single day, especially without proper rest, can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injuries. The key to building strength and endurance is giving your body enough time to recover between workouts. Aim for 3 to 5 quality workouts per week, with a mix of strength training, cardio, and rest days. Your body will thank you, and you'll actually see better results over time. Rest and recovery are essential parts of fitness. When you work out, your muscles experience tiny tears, and during rest, they repair and grow stronger. Without rest, your body doesn't have time to recover, which can lead to overtraining syndrome, fatigue, and even hormone imbalances. If you want to see the best results, focus on a well-structured routine that includes both workouts and recovery days. Now that we've busted these fitness myths, it's time to train smarter, not harder. Don't fall for misinformation that holds you back from reaching your fitness goals. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who still believes these myths. Stay consistent, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. See you in the next one.